and welcome to today's video. I couldn't not make a little video about the bits that have just arrived in the post for Baloo, and I thought I'd show you guys what I've ordered. So I've ordered some bits from a guy called Kevin, who is the head of Project Therapy Design. He has an Instagram account, that's where I found him, and he makes custom bits for Beetles. Some of the stuff that he makes is absolutely amazing, like, I can't fault it at all, and a few of his bits have arrived today, like I say, that I ordered. So I thought I'd show you because they're just stunning, and yeah, I thought in case you guys would be interested in looking for yourselves, just prettifying Baloo a little bit as much as possible in areas where you might not think twice, but you know, when you're in him, or when I'm in him quite a lot, I have a look and I think, yeah, I need to sort that out. So anyway, before I get carried away chatting, I thought I'd show you what I've got. So first things first, I'm most excited about this. I've been waiting nearly a year to order this. I don't know why it took me so long. This is an ignition ring. So it's an ivory colour, which is gorgeous. It's made of plastic, and he's done such a beautiful job of it. I do apologise for the state of my hands, by the way, I did hurt my thumb. So yeah, you can see that the writing goes in a little bit, which is lovely, and it's got these magnets on the back, perfect. So I'm not going to ruin any paintwork by putting this on. So this obviously goes around the keyhole like that, and it can be positioned in such a way. There we go, look. So let's see how that looks when I put my key in. Oh yeah, see, that's so nice. On and start. Oh, we started. There we go. So just for anyone who possibly wanted to drive Baloo for the first time who wasn't quite sure what each bit did, it's nice to have that wording there, and I just love the quality of that. It's beautiful, and it goes so nicely with the rest of my ivory knobs that I already have. So the next thing I ordered was one of the knobs for here. So I've actually gone and ordered the headlight knob. So there we go, there it is there. It's absolutely stunning. I love how the H goes in like that, and it's just beautiful quality, and it's so clean. Definitely compared to my one, which probably needs a good clean actually, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be replacing it anyway. So it's very similar size to the one that's there, so it should fit quite perfectly. I did order initially my windscreen one as well from him, which has a W on it, absolutely lovely, but because of my push button on my windscreen, he couldn't give me that one unfortunately, so I'm going to have to look into that in the future. I probably could get an ashtray knob as well, maybe. Kevin, I don't know if you would maybe do one for that, but I guess it would have A on it or whatever. I actually used my ashtray to keep my spare fuses in, which is quite handy because obviously I'm not a smoker and I never will be. So yeah, so I'm just going to remove my old one, oh gosh, there it goes, and pop my new one on, so it should fit just as well as the other one. Look at that, that's amazing, that's so cool. So I've got 2 clicks on mine for my full headlights, my side lights, and then off, and then you should be able to turn that knob up and down for the brightness of the light in the speedo, in case you weren't aware, which I didn't realise, and I thought my bulb was out, but it turns out that it was just turned down. So yeah, you can literally just whack your knob to the right there, turn that right up, and you should be able to see light in your speedo as you're driving at night, which is great. So yeah, that's that one on there, look, so let's just straighten it up a bit because of my OCD, and they look absolutely gorgeous together, don't they? Oh, that's so nice, what a lovely addition to my car. It's the little things. Additionally to my order, the lovely Kevin actually popped a few bits in there for me, which was so nice, including this sticker, which is really nice. So obviously country of destination, England, because that's where I live with Baloo. I've had a quick look through his website to see an inspiration of where to put this sticker, and he actually popped it on the seat metal on the side, so when you open the door you'd see it. Now I'm having a look at my seats at the moment and just thinking they really need redoing. They've got a lot of rips in them and stuff, and they're very discoloured, so I mean they look alright from a distance and everything, but when you're looking at them full on you just think, yeah, So I won't put that sticker on for now, and I'll just keep that to one side, and potentially when it's all done that can be like a nice final flourish on that, so I'll keep that one. This is really cool, it's a magnet, and apparently people like to put it on their door jambs, and I'm guessing it's you can mark when you've done your oil change and at how many miles that was, which is quite cool, and your valves obviously. So I actually did an oil change recently, which is, there is a video on my channel which you can watch. So yeah, I think I can look back on the date on that and fill this in for the first time, which is really good. The only thing is I wouldn't know the miles on that, so I might leave it for now and do it when I next do an oil change, which hopefully won't be too soon, but when I do I can have that to hand. And he said that these look really good in your door jambs, so I'm going to have a quick look at that. There we go, so I popped it on my door jamb there, and it does look quite cool. That's a nice addition as well, and you can close your door with it on as well, which is really good. Saying that, my door doesn't always close first time. There we go, that's it. And last but not least, already popped this one in here, I got a magnet for my engine, which is the firing order, which is really cool. And again, I had a look to see where he'd put his, and I put it quite similarly placed underneath my bush. So yeah, I think that looks really cool. It's a nice little thing for my engine. Engine needs a clean again. So yeah. If you're keen to grab a few bits for your own Beetle, which I'm sure you will be, then I'll pop the website in the description at the bottom there for you to go to. Otherwise, I'm sure I'll be popping up some Instagram stories and posts about this, so I'll try and link his account on there as well. Yeah, I definitely think that you guys need some of this custom bits in your life too.